Hey, this is Peter. I'm going to get you started with the XVT product for C programming language, and it's our DSC product. I'm going to go with a new project, and this is just going to add a couple numbers. Very simple to program. Have you going in minutes. And first of all, I want to have a couple of numbers to be able to add. And this will be my plus sign. You'll see that. And then a button, execute it. So my code can get hold of this. I don't need a name in there. I know I'm adding numbers. I'm going to go ahead and call this the first value. And this is my second value. I've got a little plus sign. Naming this so I can see it and understand it in my code very easily. That's it. I can now generate that. I'll use the palette here and just make a size the same, and then get all of these aligned horizontally. There you go. Yeah, just move around. Alright, now I'm ready to generate the files. Here's the cool part. Let's see where I want to save this. I'll save it in my samples directory. There's a bunch of other samples in here, and I'll go ahead and make a new one. My name. I'll save them in there. I want to tell it that I'm running this project and generated for Visual Studio 8. It'll generate all the files for that and the project file, and the XRC. This will allow it to be able to compile for any of our platforms in the native graphical user interface for that platform. Alright, so I've generated the files. Let's go ahead and open up Visual Studio and get compiling. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the project, Visual Studio. I saved it right here. There it is. And we'll open up the project and everything that was generated from XVT. Here's where I want to take the window input, and this will be an E control right there, switch. Right there, case E control. There's the first value, don't want to do anything there. Second value entered, and right here is my add button. So right here is where I'll add my code. So I'll add my application specific code. I've gone ahead and put this in ahead of time. And there you see my first value coming into the add button push here, and then I grab that, convert it to integer from ASCII. Same for the second value. Just add those and post a result. So these are my API calls here that allow me to get the values and to post. And so then we can go ahead and build that and run this. There's the application, and everybody knows that 9 plus 9 equals 18. Or 90 would be 99. There it is. Hey, get going. You got the information you need, and you can start developing this for yourself. And the beautiful thing is what you have here is a Windows program. Go run this on Mac in the Mac native interface by just compiling the same project that I just wrote. No changes. Just taking it over and running the compiler in there. And Xcode in that case, and you'll be on that place. We have Unix, both Linux and IBM and HP. So we have 6 platforms we support, and other common Unixes, Ubuntu, and so forth. Well, I hope you find this exciting as I know it is, what it can do for you. Good luck, and happy XVTing.